Renumbered clause 53, which was clause 56 of the bill as passed by the Senate, has been amended by the National Assembly. The question is that renumbered clause 53 as amended by the National Assembly do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of the renumbered clause 53 as amended by the National Assembly may rise in their seats. Count to be made. No. Count to be made. Count to be made. Okay, please take your seats. All those members against renumbered clause 53 as amended by the National Assembly may rise in their seats. Please take your seat. 64 members have voted in favor of renumbered clause 53 as amended by the National Assembly, and 4 members are against it. Renumbered clause 53 as amended by the National Assembly therefore forms part of the bill by votes of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Renumbered clause 4, 19, 21, 23, 52, 54, and 56. The National Assembly has not made the National Assembly has not made any amendment in clause 4, 19 to 21, 23 to 52, and 54 to 56, and these clauses have only been renumbered, so I will put these clauses as one question. The question is that renumbered clauses 4, 19 to 21, 23 to 52, and 54 to 56 do form part of the bill. All those members who are in favor of it may rise on their seats.